He can talk.
Nature trailing it with the family. Ponce de Leon State Park. You see the Holmes family. Justin, age 3. Michael, 10. Sierra, 12, gonna be 13. And the beautiful Mrs. Holmes at 33. Fine wine, baby.
Don't tell my age.
This is so we can look back at this and be on our YouTube channel. Right, Steam Bean? Hi, Justin.
Hey, Daddy.
Ponce de Leon State Park Nature Trail. The beauties of Florida.
Come on.
It took
And
us
if
an hour to get here.
you can't tell, it's the middle of winter and we're at a freezing 70 degrees.
I'm always cold. It's over, sorry.
I always have a runny nose.
That's what it's all about, people.
So, you're not even going to be watching this recording here.
What? No, I'm editing.
Nothing crazy.
I'm gonna edit it.
This is like really old.
See, they had to patch up the trail. This is over 100 years old. Did you know that? I know.